absolutely unforgettable day on the water with Tamari's charter and our exceptional captain, Antonio. From start to finish, the experience was smooth, safe, and incredibly enjoyable, even on a choppy day out at sea. Antonio's professionalism and experience immediately put us at ease. He created such a relaxed and friendly environment on board, while always keeping a close eye on safety. The sea was quite rough at times during our trip, but Antonio expertly adjusted our route to avoid the most exposed areas, making sure we were comfortable and secure throughout. He communicated everything clearly and thoughtfully, which we really appreciated. Our itinerary included a beautiful swim stop at the Blue Lagoon, a serene inlet nearby, and a truly memorable lunch in Trogir, which Antonio kindly arranged for us in advance. The restaurant and setting were absolutely gorgeous. A special moment was when we picked up half of our group directly from a small marina near their Airbnb in the Bay of Castilla, which Antonio suggested to save them the drive to Split. It was such a thoughtful gesture and turned into a really magical part of the day. The ride back to Split was fast, fun, and exhilarating, such a perfect end to the adventure. Fuel cost was very reasonable, around $100 for the day on the medium-sized boat, and given the level of service and care, we would strongly encourage others to tip generously. These guys really deserve it. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned boater, you'll be in fantastic hands with Tamari's charter and especially Captain Antonio. We're already dreaming of our next trip. We booked the Saxdor yacht a few months in advance of our trip, not knowing it was practically brand new to their fleet. What an incredible vessel! Plenty of room for us as 6 adults, plus more if you needed it. The communication with Tony was excellent and Marco, our skipper, was knowledgeable, friendly and professional. We traveled to the island of Brac, had a swim in a very picturesque bay, visited a historical landmark and then Marco took us to lunch to an isolated, but incredible restaurant overlooking the sea. We then found another pretty bay for another swim before returning to Split around 5 p.m. I would definitely recommend Tamari's for your Croatian island adventures. Rather than go on some circle line tour on a boat packed to the max, this was the best way to go short of owning your own boat. The boat was a new 25 feet walk around with plenty of room for the 3 of us. The captain Koji was excellent. Knowledgeable, friendly and professional. He suggested a schedule but let us pick and choose as we want. We visited 4 island towns, had an amazing lunch that the captain arranged. It was a full 8-hour day. Best day of our vacation. You should know, in addition to cost of the boat, there are additional fees for the gas you use and a fee for the captain plus a tip. Worth it in my opinion. What an absolutely amazing day we had. Firstly, the Saxdor boat was brand new and beautiful. The trip itself took us to so many beautiful places, as we did the VAR and Secrets of Brad tour. Everything was perfect, the stops, the swimming spots, the lunch stop, restaurant was fantastic, but most importantly our skipper Jury made the day a 10 out of 10. He was fabulous and really looked after us for the whole tour. We cannot thank him enough and we are so grateful he was our skipper. Thank you so much for just a perfect day in Split. As a family we will never forget this day. The private boat trip from Split was simply incredible, but what really made all the difference was the skipper, Duje, attentive, friendly, and extremely knowledgeable about the region. He not only steered the boat safely but also shared local tips and took us to coves and spots we would never have discovered on our own. The experience was completely personalized, with perfect stops for swimming, relaxing, and enjoying the turquoise blue sea of Croatia. Without a doubt, one of the best moments of the trip and highly recommended.